Hi, Andy with Nail Gun Depot. Here at Nail Gun Depot, one of the big questions we've had through the years is, how am I going to attach a tri-wall container to a pallet? Tri-wall containers are about 4 foot high, and I might be able to reach in there, but I may not be able to. And I don't think OSHA is really going to want you to reach in there either. I don't think our production manager is going to want you either. So years ago, someone came up with what we call either a walking stick or a pogo stick. You attach that to your Everwin stapler, your SN40P 1-inch wide crown stapler. We're going to take a wide crown, 1-inch crown, 1.5-inch staple, and we're going to drive that staple through the container into the pallet to hold it in place. We'll plug it in. This particular model we made sequential, so you have to depress the safety, then pull the trigger. You can get it in bump fire also. So we're going to depress the safety. Everwin SN40P wide crown stapler with the walking stick attachment, which is sold separately. We can attach it for you, or they have simple instructions to attach it yourself. I prefer that we do it, just make sure everything goes well, and we don't mind doing it. And now it's securely fastened to the pallet. Now I've stapled my container to the pallet, and we can ship it anywhere across the world we need to.